Meaning of expeditiously.
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 Expeditiously. Expeditiously means to do something quickly and efficiently. It is an adverb used to describe the speed or pace of an action. When someone completes a task expeditiously, it means they have done it promptly and without unnecessary delay or waste of time. The result of taking action expeditiously is that tasks are completed faster and with better efficiency, which often leads to higher productivity and improved outcomes. Being able to work expeditiously is an important skill in many professions, especially those where time management and meeting deadlines are critical.